Lessons of Grammar. First year students. Lessons of Grammar that we are going to see through this series of videos will be composed of the parts of speech, and we are going to move to talk about all the things related to the sentence. So the first lesson will be about the parts of speech, while the second one will be about nouns, pronouns, then determinants, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, conjunctions, prepositions, active versus passive voice, reported speech, and sentence patterns. The first 9 lessons will be presented by Dr. Saihi Hanan, while the 3 other lessons, active versus passive voice, reported speech, and sentence patterns, will be presented by Dr. Rabahi Hanan. The approach used in this normally slides is the deductive approach, which is used normally to present a rule which is followed by examples in which the rule is applied. So we give you the rule, then we give you the examples. Of course, the learning objectives of these lessons are addressed to first year students, while addressed to the first year students in order to make them differentiate the parts of speech in English grammar and make them get familiar with the parts of speech when studied in details. The focus skills. So in these lessons, normally we are going to try to develop mainly grammar skills and other skills like reading, writing, and vocabulary. The materials required for these slides, normally we use the PowerPoint presentation in order to present the lesson and the videos being recorded. The parts of speech, what are they? Normally the parts of speech are 8. We have nouns, pronouns, determiners, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, conjunctions, and prepositions. Let's define parts of speech. The parts of speech that we have here are, first of all, the nouns. The nouns are words used to name a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Like, for example, Ahmed, cat, tree, and policeman. The pronouns, normally they are words used to replace the nouns. So the pronoun replaces the noun. The pronoun replaces the noun or a noun phrase like he, she, it, mine, yours, him, and me. And they are of different types. Determiners, the determiners are words or phrases placed in front of a noun, before a noun, and it is used to make it clear. For example, I say a cat and I say the cat. So a cat means something and the cat means something else. So a cat means what? A cat means any cat. But when I say the cat, I mean it is in our house, for example. Verbs are also words, and it is the largest group in the parts of speech. The words express an action or name a state of existence. Example: go, make, be, prepare, and connect. So it can express the action. For example, I say I go to the school. I go to the school, there is an action, the action of going. But when I say I am happy, here there is no action, here there is a feeling, here there is a state of being. Adverbs modify and give more information about the verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. I say I work hard, I work well, I run rapidly, I walk slowly, okay? And I say I walk very slowly. Very modifies slowly. Very is an adverb and slowly is also an adverb. So very modifies is an adverb that modifies slowly. Conjunctions, they are words used to connect between, for example, clauses, phrases, or even nouns. So I say and, for, but, since, and because. And, but, for used, for example, in the compound sentences, while since and because are used in complex sentences. Prepositions, they are also other words to show relationships such as direction, time, location, or ownership. Adjectives are words normally used to modify a noun or pronoun. So the adverb is used to modify the verb, adjective, and other adverbs, while the adjective, it is used to modify either a noun or a pronoun. So I say, she is old. It is green. I am happy. For example, the cat is sad. So here it modifies either a noun or a pronoun. These are normally the parts of speech that we have in English, and these are normally the references that we use in this slides. I mean this first lesson and even other lessons. So based on these references, we have prepared our lessons. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.